How to create shortcut on Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. Do like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your Snapchat and make sure that you have a latest version. If you don't have the latest version, update your app first and then click on your Snapchat app. For creating a shortcut, you have to click any snap here. And you can easily create a shortcut and you can easily send your snap on one click very easily. Just click on the shortcut. You can see at the very top of your screen the little shortcut option. Just click on that one and then hit the new shortcut option. Now select the people or friend you want to add in your shortcut. You can select your best friend first and you can easily send your snap with one click. After creating a shortcut, just click on the create shortcut. For this you have to choose any emoji. Just click on choose emoji and then I have selected fire here and it's created. In this way you can create shortcut on Snapchat, and once a shortcut created, you can easily send your snap with one click to that specific people. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.